What's up? I'm Harry Twatter from Teabag Time. A lot of people think that we are associated with the Teabag, or the Tea Party, political teabaggers. We're not associated with that. We're doing some other shit, and actually, we are independent as far as political thought goes. So we're not tied to either side. We kind of do our own thing. So I just wanted to clear up that misconception while I'm testing the sound and testing the screening and everything, and just saying welcome to fucking Teabag Time. And if you don't like it, it's too bad. If you do, thanks for following us. Thanks for watching. We appreciate it, and we promise to bring some funny shit to you. Interviews, bullshit, short films, beer tasting, wine tasting, food, whatever, and we'll try to make it as fun as possible, though. So, thank you for watching.